welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a clean with me video. Our whole house is pretty dirty because last week John and I were both sick and we didn't get to clean as much as we wanted, and now this past weekend we both were feeling better, so we finally painted our daughter Haley's room. So we've been busy doing that all weekend and our house is pretty messy. We need to vacuum, mop, and pick up clutter from here and there and everywhere. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So follow along with me and let's clean together. Maybe you got something in your house you want to clean, and just, you know, watch my video and you do some cleaning too and we'll get her done. I'm such a nerd. But before I start, I want to say thank you so much for stopping by here on my channel. And if you're new, please subscribe. I'd love to have you join my little YouTube family that I have going on here. I absolutely love inspiring others to clean and to organize. I've been doing a lot of the KonMari method decluttering here lately. So yeah, join the family and hit that subscribe button. So yeah, let's get started cleaning. Okay, here's our daughter Haley's bedroom that we just painted this weekend. Well, I should say my husband painted it because he did most of the work in here. But the paint is still drying, so her toys and stuff are out here in the hallway, so I'm not going to be worrying about vacuuming. Oh, Haley's calling for me. For vacuuming in the hallway in her room until we get all this mess cleaned up after the paint dries.
Laying down my cards on the table, sending out a message in a bottle. Came in through the door like a hurricane, and I hope you won't get fickle, 'cause you swept me up mine. I'm losing my cool when I'm here right next to you. I'm losing my cool. Yeah, I'm losing my cool when I'm under your control. I'm losing my cool. Yeah. I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. About myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me.
Okay, y'all, it is dark outside. This should have been an after dark cleaning video because it got dark like 30 minutes into me starting cleaning. So that is all of my cleaning for tonight. It's 7:30. I gotta get my kiddos ready for school tomorrow and get myself prepared, make lunches and all that good stuff. So I could keep cleaning. I need to do the bathrooms. Maybe I'll make that a separate video. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe here if you're new and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.